Welcome. In this tutorial, we will show you how to perform a Carrier Relock on a Samsung Galaxy A36 using ChimeraTool. First, enable USB debugging on the device. Go to Settings. Open About Phone. Then tap on Software Information. Here, tap Build Number several times until the message appears asking to enable developer options. Confirm by tapping OK. Next, go back to the main settings menu and open developer options. Enable USB debugging and confirm the warning by tapping OK. Connect the device to your computer and wait for ChimeraTool to recognize it. This connection may take a short time, depending on your setup. Once the device is recognized, go to the Network tab and select Carrier Relock. In this dialog, you can choose the Mobile Country Code, or MCC, and the Mobile Network Code, or MNC, that you want to apply to the device. You can select one or multiple carriers for the relock process. Use the arrows in the middle to move carriers between the selected and unselected lists. You can also save the selected carriers as a template for later use. Set it as the default template, or delete it if it is no longer needed. Now, select a template to apply the carriers for relock. In this example, we will choose the Argentina preset. Once selected, all carriers included in that template will be listed. When you are ready, click Start Procedure. The process may take some time to complete. Please do not disconnect the device during this operation. As you can see, the procedure has completed successfully. The device is now locked to the selected list of carriers. Thank you for watching. For more tutorials and tips, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.